Good morning, crew. Today I'm picking up the truck for the welding rig. Let's get to it. Right now it is approximately 0400 hours, Halloween day. Very exciting, gonna be picking up the truck. I'm just very happy this moment has finally come. Been a lot of hard work getting to this point. Thank you to my very best friend for always believing in me. Truly means the world to me. And it's just gonna be a lot of fun today. Gonna be plenty of content published about the truck, getting the truck, all that good stuff, going through the process, walking around, making sure everything's fine, and just finally signing everything, getting the truck, and finally having it after all the delays and setbacks that have been going on. It's just very exciting, and I'm just very happy to have this in my possession, or will be later today. So then the truck will be going and getting upfitted for all the stuff for the welding rig, and all the tools, equipment will be loaded up. Obviously, y'all will be seeing how that happens. There'll be plenty of content coming up very soon on all that, but it is Halloween day and picking up the welding rig. So super excited. Plenty of content coming up today on that. Hope you're all excited. I know I am. It's just very exciting. Don't know any other word at the moment for it, but very exciting. A lot to look forward to. Hope y'all stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoy, and I'll see y'all in those videos.